exposing the secrets behind a killer $1,700 gaming rig. Let's get into part 2. First up, we've got the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR5 32GB RAM, clocking in at 6,000 MHz. This memory kit doesn't just perform, it lights up your rig with epic RGB flair. Next, say hello to the Gigabyte B650M Gaming Plus Wi-Fi motherboard. It's packed with features and ready to handle everything you throw at it. Our case? The MSI MagForge 321R Airflow. This beast ensures your components stay cool with optimal airflow. And to keep our CPU chill, we're using the Thermalright Frozen Naughty 360 AIO cooler. Top-notch performance and sleek looks. Want to build this monster yourself? Check the description for all the links. Smash that like button, subscribe for more epic builds, and stay tuned. Game on!